I just listened to music online and made over $840. In this video, I'll show you how you can do the same, even if you have a brand new account on your laptop or smartphone. The first thing you need to do is go to this website called Mixkit.com. Mixkit.com is the answer once more. As you can see, Mixkit.com is a website where you can find awesome free assets that you can use in your projects. We won't be working on any projects though. We're just going to use this website to listen to music and then make money from it. I'll show you how to listen to music tracks like these right now and start making money. As you can see here, $8, 4 cents, $10, $10, and even $31. Just keep scrolling down this page and you'll see that people from all over the world are using this method to make money online just by listening to music. Let's quickly figure out how much money you can make by just doing this in a day. Even if you only listen to one song, you can make about $8. If you listen to 10 songs, you'll get paid around $80. If there are 20 songs, you get paid $160. If you listen to 50 songs, you'll get $400. And if you listen to 100 songs, you could get up to $800 or even a lot more. So make sure you have your laptop or smartphone ready. This method is completely free, so you don't have to spend any money on it. Even if you've never made money online before, you can use it. You will be able to do this, but before we go any further, welcome to MMO Girl. On this channel, I give you the latest ideas, tips, and tricks for making money online. If you haven't already, hit the like button and turn on notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. Now on Mixkit, you can scroll down and see all these music tracks that we're going to use to make money on this website. All of these audio clips are free to use, and you don't even have to give credit or sign up on their website. This website has tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of songs. In this video, I'll show you at least 3 tips that will help you make even more money with this website. Now, I want you to scroll up to where it says genre. If you move your mouse over that word, it will show you the different kinds of music that this website has. We can make money with any of these, but since you are a subscriber to this channel, I want to show you something even better. So go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre. You'll find these free acoustic tracks that you can download for nothing. On this page, you can also find a lot of free hip-hop songs that you can download. So let's go to this next song and click the play button to start listening to it. There are so many songs that you don't have to listen to the whole thing. We will do this right now. Find the download button, which is right next to the play button. To make the most money with this method, I need you to keep doing this and download as many music tracks as you can onto your computer. Do the same thing with this other track right here and save it to your computer when the first one is done. To make the most money with this method, I need you to keep doing this and download as many music tracks as you can onto your computer. I'll show you how we're going to make money with all these downloaded music tracks in a minute. For the second step, I need you to go to a website called Upload Forever. Upload Forever is a website that will pay you to put your files and pictures on it. We're going to upload all of the music tracks we just got from Mixkit.com, and every time someone downloads one of our music files from Upload Forever, we'll get paid. Like I said before, this is a very easy way to make money online. All you have to do is go back to Mixkit, download any track from any of these categories, and upload it to Forever. For example, this website has a 4-tiered payment system that divides the money you make into groups based on where most of your downloads came from. Downloads from the US and Canada, for example, are in Tier 1. Australia is the second best. The United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia are in Tier 3, and the rest of the world is in Tier 4. Now this means that countries in Tier 4 will earn you at least $3, countries in Tiers 3 and 2 will earn you about $4, and countries in Tier 1 will earn you a good $7. At least 5 ways to make money are available on this website. You can sell your files, get paid per download, get paid per referral, mix website banners, or get paid per referral mix. The exciting thing I have to say here is that you can choose from over 20 different ways to pay. They offer PayPal as a way to send web money. You can also use Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union Cash Plus, and a number of other services. Their minimum payout is only $1, so you can get your money as soon as you make your first dollar. But before we go any further, don't forget to click like and subscribe in the comment section below. I also need you to type yes or no and the name of your country if you agree with the following positive statement. This will help me keep making videos that work in your area. It is very easy to sign up. You will finish it in less than a minute. Type your username and password every time. Right now, put your email address in this box, click this CAPTCHA, and then click the Sign Up button. By the way, you can sign in with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account if you'd like. Once your account is ready, go here and click where it says Welcome. Then click My Account, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is a brand new account, and I'll show you step by step how to set up your own account so you can easily and quickly make money like this. Also, don't forget to click on the button that says Payment Information and finish setting up your preferred way to pay. Here, you can choose the category you want and then click Save. Now let's go to the left side of this page and click on Upload Files. We're going to start putting the music files we downloaded earlier on this website. Before you start downloading, though, make sure you read the warnings at the top. First, you can't upload anything that goes against the terms of service. If you do, your account could be closed. Second, you should make sure your ad blocker is turned off, since it could also stop the uploading process. We'll start uploading the music file as soon as you click this button. When it's done, you'll be able to see it right here. Here's one more tip as a bonus. Make sure you choose Public so that other people can get to your music file. Make sure you also fill in the name of the music track and the name of the artist. To do this, go to the Mixkit website and look up the name of the song and the name of the artist. Then you can type those names into this box. When you're done, click the Start Upload button. Just wait a few seconds, and depending on how fast your internet is, the process will be done and the files will be saved. The next thing you'll do is set a price for your music file so that every time someone downloads it, you get at least $7. You can repeat the process as many times as you want by going back to the Mixkit website and downloading the music tracks from there. If you set this up correctly, you'll get paid for those music tracks for a long time, and that's all you have to do now. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch the next video to find out how you can make money just by watching YouTube.